Why is higher education so crucial in our world today? Is it just about gaining knowledge, or is it something more? Let's delve into that today. Located in the heart of Bhalwal, the Govt Graduate College offers a wide array of Bachelor of Science degree programs, each meticulously designed to equip students with the necessary skills and knowledge to thrive in their chosen fields. First on the list is the Bachelor of Science in English. This program is not just about mastering the language, but also about appreciating its literature and understanding its cultural implications. It's about developing critical thinking skills, learning to articulate ideas clearly, and enhancing your creative writing prowess. Next, we have the Bachelor of Science in Mathematics. This program is for those who find beauty in numbers, patterns, and structures. It's not just about solving equations. It's about using mathematical principles to solve real-world problems. The third program offered is the Bachelor of Science in Urdu. This course dives deep into the rich tapestry of the Urdu language, its literature, and its cultural significance. It's about understanding the profound wisdom embedded in Urdu poetry and prose, and using the language as a tool to explore societal issues. The Bachelor of Science in Political Science is another fascinating program. It's about understanding the mechanisms of power, governance, and public policy. It's about learning to analyze political systems and behaviors, and using this knowledge to contribute to society. Lastly, the Bachelor of Science in Islamic Studies is for those who want to explore the teachings and philosophies of Islam in depth. It's about understanding the historical, philosophical, and cultural aspects of Islam, and using this knowledge to promote peace and understanding. The Govt Graduate College Bhalwal is more than just an institution. It's a community that fosters intellectual growth, critical thinking, and a passion for learning. Each degree program is tailored to provide a comprehensive education that goes beyond textbooks. They are designed to develop well-rounded individuals who can contribute positively to society. In conclusion, higher education is not just about gaining knowledge. It's about using that knowledge to make a difference. Whether it's through the eloquent use of language, the application of mathematical principles, the analysis of political systems, or the understanding of religious philosophies, each program at the Govt Graduate College Bhalwal provides students with the tools to make that difference.